Hello, this is Surf Perch, and today I have another box of pennies. We're going to be hunting through this for wheat pennies, Canadian pennies, and anything else that's interesting. I looked at some of the ends, and it doesn't look like it has a lot of copper, but hopefully that's just selection bias. Anyway, let's get on with the hunt. I'll bring in when I find something. First roll. And while there isn't any copper, there is a wheat cent. 1941 out of Philadelphia. Very strange start to the box. Hopefully it means something good. I'll bring you back if I find another. Roll number 2, wheat cent number 2, 1953 out of San Francisco. I'll bring you back if I find more. Roll number 8, we got our third wheat cent, this one being a, if I can get it to focus, 1938, looks like, yeah, 1938 Philadelphia. Oldest one of the hunt so far. It's not often that you find ones from the 30s. Hopefully, that's a good sign for the rolls ahead. Anyway, I'll bring you back if I find something else. Roll number 13, and this isn't a wheat cent, but this 1976 D penny has 2 holes in it. Probably part of some jewelry at one point. Never seen anything like this before. Anyway, let's get back to the hunt. I'm here on roll 18, and after quite a bit of a drought, finally have something. 1997 Canadian. I mean, I guess it's not that special of a find, but here in California, it is. Anyway, I'll bring you back when I find something else. I'm on roll 23, and we finally have our 4th wheat cent. This one is a 1951 out of Philadelphia. Hopefully, we'll find some more. And if I do, I'll bring you back to the hunt. Very next roll, we have the grossest looking wheat cent I've seen in a long time. It is a 1952 out of Denver. Hopefully when we find another, it's slightly better than this, because this thing feels gross to the touch. Anyway, I'll bring you back when I find more. Roll 55, and it looks like we have another wheat penny. This one being a bit of a parking lot coin. Another 1952 out of Denver. Interesting selection so far this hunt. Hopefully, the second part of the box continues to deliver. I'll bring you back when I find more. Roll number 49. And we finally have another wheat cent. Let's see, this one is 1936 Denver. It's you don't normally find ones with mint marks from the 30s. So hopefully we find some more. I don't think that one's particularly rare, but like you almost never see those. So hopefully that's a good sign going forward that there will be some more. Anyway, let's get back to the hunt. I'm on roll 41 of the hunt, and we got a 1944S. It's a pretty common wheat cent, but I'll take it. Anyway, I'll bring you back if I find more. Roll 43, and we have a common last year 1958 Denver wheat cent with, looks like a piece of gunk on the back. And that makes 9. Hopefully we can get a 10th before the end of the box. I'll bring you back if I find one. Very next roll, a bit of an unexpected find, a 1977 Canadian penny. Not very common down here. Same roll, and we have another wheat cent. Another, 1956 Denver this time. And that brings us up to 10. I'll bring you back if I find something else. Okay, so that does it for this hunt. We found 20 2025 pennies that were in good enough condition to keep. 2 Canadians, a 1977 and a 1997. 76D with 2 holes drilled through it. 10 wheat cents. most of them from like the 50s, a couple from the 40s, 2 from the 30s, a 1938, and if I can get it to focus, 1936D, which that's far and away the best find of the hunt. I believe there were there were around like 50 million of those minted. I'll put the exact figure up on the video. So I feel like this was a pretty productive hunt. Anyway, that's all for today. Hope this video finds you well. Thanks for watching.